The Rise of Cristiano Ronaldo, A Journey of Determination and Success. Chapter 1. Humble Beginnings. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985 in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. He was the youngest of 4 children in a humble family. His father, José Denis Aveiro, worked as a kit man at a local football club, while his mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos, was a cook and cleaning lady. Despite financial struggles, the family was close-knit, and Ronaldo learned the values of hard work and perseverance from a young age. Even as a child, Ronaldo's love for football was evident. He spent countless hours playing with his friends on the streets of Madeira, often using makeshift balls when they couldn't afford a proper one. His neighbors frequently complained about the noise and broken windows, but Ronaldo was undeterred. "I just wanted to play football," he later recalled, a sentiment that encapsulated his single-minded passion and determination from an early age. Chapter 2. Early Talent. At the age of 8, Ronaldo joined Andorinha, a local football club where his father worked as a kit man. His extraordinary talent quickly caught the attention of his coaches, who marveled at the young boy's speed, technical skill, and uncanny ability to read the game. Even at such a young age, Ronaldo's determination to succeed and his hunger to improve were evident, setting him apart from his peers. By the age of 12, Ronaldo's performances had earned him a move to Nacional, one of Madeira's top clubs. There he continued to excel, and it wasn't long before he was scouted by Sporting CP, a prominent club in Lisbon. At just 12 years old, Ronaldo left his family and moved to the Portuguese capital to join Sporting's academy. It was a difficult decision, but Ronaldo's dream of becoming a professional footballer outweighed his fears. Chapter 3. Rising through the ranks. At Sporting CP, Ronaldo faced challenges. He was far from home and missed his family terribly, often feeling the weight of loneliness in an unfamiliar city. Despite the emotional struggles, he remained focused and immersed himself in training, determined to prove his worth. Ronaldo's relentless work ethic and unshakable belief in his dream became his guiding forces. His dedication paid off, as he not only improved his skills, but also earned the respect of his coaches and teammates. Overcoming these obstacles, he quickly moved up through the ranks of the youth academy, showcasing his extraordinary talent and determination. In 2002, at just 17 years old, Ronaldo made his debut for Sporting's first team. His performance in that game was electrifying. His speed, dribbling, and precision caught the eye of fans and scouts alike. One match in particular stood out, a friendly against Manchester United in 2003. Ronaldo's dazzling performance left the Manchester United players and their legendary manager, Sir Alex Ferguson, in awe. Chapter 4. The Manchester United Years. In the summer of 2003, Ronaldo signed with Manchester United for a then-record fee for a teenager. Wearing the iconic number 7 jersey, previously worn by legends like George Best and David Beckham, Ronaldo had big shoes to fill, but he was up to the task. Initially, Ronaldo struggled to adapt to the physicality and pace of the Premier League. Critics labeled his flashy style of play as ineffective and questioned his ability to deliver results. Far from being discouraged, Ronaldo turned the criticism into fuel for his growth. He committed to rigorous training, focusing on building his physical strength, sharpening his decision-making, and perfecting his finishing skills. Over time, these efforts transformed him into a more complete and lethal player, silencing doubters and earning the respect of teammates and opponents alike. Over the next few years, Ronaldo blossomed into one of the best players in the world. His dazzling performances on the pitch helped Manchester United win 3 consecutive Premier League titles. and the UEFA Champions League in 2008, a season where his 42 goals across all competitions cemented his status as a global superstar. That same year, he won his first Ballon d'Or, awarded to the world's best player, solidifying his position among football's elite. Chapter 5: Real Madrid, an unprecedented success. In 2009, Ronaldo made a record-breaking move to Real Madrid for €94 million, making him the most expensive player in history at the time. The move marked the beginning of an extraordinary chapter in his career. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo reached new heights. He formed a fierce rivalry with Barcelona's Lionel Messi, and the two players pushed each other to achieve greatness. Ronaldo's time at Real Madrid was filled with records and trophies. He became the club's all-time leading scorer, won 4 more Ballon d'Or awards, and helped Real Madrid win 4 UEFA Champions League titles. Chapter 6: Challenges and Perseverance. Despite his success, Ronaldo faced challenges. Injuries, criticism, and personal setbacks tested his resilience. However, Ronaldo's unwavering determination and strong work ethic helped him overcome these obstacles. "I don't have talent, I have dedication," he once said, emphasizing the importance of hard work over natural ability. Off the pitch, Ronaldo became known for his philanthropic efforts. He donated millions to charities, supported disaster relief efforts, and funded children's hospitals and education programs, using his platform to advocate for social causes. Ronaldo consistently demonstrated his commitment to making a positive impact on the world. His dedication to giving back extended beyond financial contributions, as he often took time to visit children in hospitals, inspiring them with his presence and kindness. He also became a role model for aspiring athletes, encouraging them not only to chase their dreams but also to use their success to help others. Chapter 7: Juventus and Beyond. In 2018, Ronaldo left Real Madrid and joined Juventus. Despite being in his 30s, he continued to perform at an elite level. He won 2 Serie A titles with the Italian club and became one of the top scorers in the league. In 2021, Ronaldo returned to Manchester United, where he continued to showcase his incredible talent and leadership. Even as he entered the later stages of his career, Ronaldo remained one of the most influential figures in football. Chapter 8: Legacy and Impact. Cristiano Ronaldo's journey from a small island in Madeira to global stardom is a testament to the power of hard work and determination. His achievements on the pitch are unparalleled, but his impact goes beyond football. Ronaldo's story inspires millions around the world to dream big and never give up. As he once said, "Dreams are not what you see in your sleep. Dreams are things which do not let you sleep." Ronaldo's journey is a living example of this philosophy, and his legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. His story remains a beacon of hope and a blueprint for success, showing that no dream is too big if you are willing to work hard and stay determined. Cristiano Ronaldo's rise embodies the principles of resilience and ambition, showcasing how overcoming adversity can lead to unparalleled achievement. Beyond his accolades, he serves as a living testament to the transformative power of passion and persistence in shaping one's destiny. From his days as a young boy kicking a ball on the streets of Madeira to becoming one of the greatest footballers in history, Ronaldo's life underscores the importance of never settling for mediocrity. His insatiable drive for improvement, combined with his unyielding focus on his goals, has made him a global icon. Whether breaking records or inspiring others to pursue their dreams, Ronaldo's story is a timeless reminder that greatness is within reach for those who dare to believe in themselves and work tirelessly to achieve their aspirations. Learn more stories. Subscribe to Now Word Wonder Stories. Thank you.